to show you how to install this protective case around your Pixel watch. First, you're going to open up the wipes, pull the wipe out, and clean the face of my watch. Once you're done cleaning the face, you're going to open up the pink side to dry it. This is going to make sure that it's not only clean, but all the little dust particles are removed. Next, I'm going to apply this protective screen. Next, I'm going to apply the protective screen. There's a sticker on the back that's going to adhere to the face of your watch. So I am going to first line up the case according to where my watch faces. So I have the dial over here on the right side. I'm going to make sure that I have that opening for the dial lined up and ready to go. And once I have that, I'm going to remove the sticky from the back. And then I'm going to place it on the watch and clip it down. Just like so. Now your watch is nice and protected from scratches and cracks. Thanks for watching my video.